Good morning everyone. My name is Jason. I am from class 1 group. The title of our story is The Greedy Dog. One day, a little dog carrying a bone in his mouth was on his way home. As he was crossing a bridge, he suddenly saw another dog carrying a bone looking at him from the water. I don't so. I don't know.